Hello and welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video we're working on a Countryman 1.5 petrol engine. It's juddering, lacking in power. In your case there's different scenarios, okay? So if you're getting this P0193, there's different symptoms. It will just crank in your case, it may not work, or it may work but you will lose power in, like, you know, when you're doing 20-30 miles an hour, when you're putting your foot down, it starts to judder, or there is just no power whatsoever. Or you do get power and you can do 70, no issue, but intermittently you will get a fault, and that is a bit of loss of power, and you'll get drive terrain warning issue as well. If you're getting this rail pressure sensor, I'll guide you exactly where it is, guys, so you know what's what. So that fault code is to do with this sensor here. So the fuel rail pressure sensor, which is this here, and that's the code. See if I can get it on this side. So that's the code to it. So reality is, guys, they do mess up. It's not going to be just your car problem. This is common in most cars. Doesn't have to be BM or Mini, or I don't know, it could be Audi, Skoda, VW. The point is, it's this sensor at the end. It's a DIY job. I would personally do it myself sensibly. Get the right socket, open it up, and get an original OEM sensor. And when you do, replace it. Obviously, when you do replace it, your car may not start straight away. There might be air within the fueling system. So just keep cranking it. That's the way to go. But that's where it is. That's what's causing it. And if you've changed this and you're having the same issue, then it may be the whole fuel railing system, and you put bad fuel in, maybe, I guess, or something else is causing it. But recommendation would always be to check the wiring to make sure you're getting full voltage. If you are, happy days, pop it back, and there you go. But that's where it is, guys, and that's the fault code.